For close round 22, after the last 2 chain, make a slip stitch top of the first front post double crochet here. So this round finish. Round 23, chain 1 for a start, a bubble stitch around first front post double crochet, 2 double crochet bubble stitch, 1 and 2, now a bubble stitch, a double crochet between 2 front post double crochet, another bubble stitch around next front post double crochet, 1 and 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, now 3 double crochet bubble stitch around first front post double crochet here, 1, 2 and 3. Now front post double crochet around each of these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a bubble stitch around next, 1, 2 and 3, now a bubble stitch, 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around first front post double crochet, 1, 2, a double crochet between 2 front posts, a bubble stitch around next front post double crochet, two chain, 1, 2 and repeat this pattern. Skip this bubble stitch around the first front post double crochet, we make a 3 double crochet bubble stitch, 2 and 3. Now 5 front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now a bubble stitch around the next, 1, 2 and 3, 2 chain, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around next, and continue this pattern until we finish this round. Then I come back here to close this round. For close round 23, make a slip stitch top of very first bubble stitch here, and this round finish. Round 24, chain 1, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around this bubble stitch, 1 and 2, now a bubble stitch, 3 chain, 1 2 3, 5 front post double crochet popcorn around this double crochet here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now a popcorn, 3 chain, 1 2 3, a bubble stitch around next bubble stitch, 1 and 2. Now 2 chain here, 1 2, skip this bubble stitch around the first front post double crochet. We make it 3 double crochet bubble stitch, 1 2 and 3. Now 3 front post double crochet here, 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3. Now 3 double crochet bubble stitch around next, 1 2 and 3, 2 chain, 1 2, and repeat the pattern again. 2 double crochet bubble stitch around the first bubble stitch, 1 and 2, 3 chain, 1 2 3, 5 front post double crochet popcorn around this double crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now a popcorn, 3 chain, 1 2 3, 2 double crochet bubble stitch around next bubble stitch, 1 and 2. Now 2 chain, 1 2, a bubble stitch around the first front post double crochet, 1 2 3 and a bubble stitch, 3 front post double crochet here, 1 2 and 3. Now a bubble stitch around next, 1 2 and 3, 2 chain, 1 2. Continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here.